guys, so there's a few extra things that I just want to go over from the previous video, and I forgot to incorporate it into this. So let's just be real quick with this. First would be some small angles across the body. So the small angles were like down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These, we can also do them across the body like this. 1, 2. So you can come across the body like this. 1, 2. Boom, boom, boom. Or we can kind of turn our body with it like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because these are good because you want to have a mix of small movements and big movements. So you can go 1, 2, and then maybe bigger, small, maybe up a little bit more, come up to here. 1, come down to here, come down to here, maybe come up to shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe bigger angles, smaller, tink, 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 tink. You know what I mean? So that's the first thing I was going to show you, and then we also have cross arms like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. This is just a fun little angle. We can go up, down, cross arms. So my hands are just going to be very relaxed here. I'm just going to be 1, 2, and the lines are kind of broken when I do this because it's just a very relaxed, neutral position up. It's kind of like if we take the Fresno, right? But we just kind of break that angle down a little bit more like this. Okay? Very relaxed, right? And the reason we have relaxed hands is because it's actually quite easier to pop with a relaxed hand, right? Tink, 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 tink. The more relaxed you are, it's actually quite easier to pop like that. Not many people know that tip, but it's true, man. So look, relax wrist and then bam. Because it gives you more angle to smack that wrist down when you're relaxed. So keep that in mind. We can go like bam, 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 bam. And then we can come cross arms. Cross, back, up, down, cross arms, here. Or we can go cross arms into this. So 1, 2, and then 3. So our wrists are turning from here, straight up. So we can go bam, 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 bam. So that's the next angle I'll show you is up here. Bent wrists, bam, up here, bam, 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 bam. So you just take this angle here, bring it out, bent wrists this time, bam, bam, and then bring it up, bam. So you can either bring it up like this with your elbow, or we could have them up like up here. So the elbow is down this time. So it's kind of like this, and then just bring it down, bam, 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 like that. So the next angles, like Fresno angles with the arms. So out here, like they're like very straight arms with the Fresno, and you can have like relaxed wrist and stuff when you do that as well, right? And then you can always bring your arm down, like you're pointing to these corner angles, like the 4 corners. So 4 corners is used quite a lot with arm movements. Here, 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 here. And you can use that with the Fresno as well, like here, 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 here. Boom, 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 boom. So with the Fresno, you can really like use those four corners. Even if you're not doing a Fresno with it, you can still hit those four corners like that. Boom, 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 bam, 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 boom, like that, right? So that's your four corners. So let's get back to what I was telling you at the start before I had to stop the video temporarily. So with this, the arm concept with the wrists being like really relaxed, like up here and stuff, boom, we can also like lean, add the leans, boom, bam, boom, bam, boom, bam, boom, bam, boom, bam, boom, bam, boom. So it's like we're able to like lean and create this motion, but our wrists are going to stay kind of like relaxed as we do it, right? So another thing with that is if your wrists are up like this, we can also bring them down from here. So we can go like 1, 2, 3, like this. This is a good drill just to get your muscle memory with your arms. Bam, 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 bam from the side. Bam, 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 boom. Or you can come straight down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And just practice lifting your arms up in different heights and levels. Your arms could be down here, here, with relaxed wrists, here, bam, 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 or out here, bam, bam, boom, boom, bam, boom, or even up a little bit higher like this, bam, boom, bam, boom, bam, boom, bam, or take them out and then you have what's called like the mechanical bird, bam, 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 because it's like a bird that's playing, bam, 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 bam. So that's a mechanical bird because it's like a bird's flying, right? But it's bam, bam, bam. It's more mechanical, right? The way it's done. So mechanical bird with the wrists. 2 hands at once. Bam, 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 bam. Right? So next thing is like from the leaning position like this down here, is we can also like pull back like a row or something. So we can pull it back like that. Or our hands could be facing up like this and then pull it straight back. So bam, bam, boom. Or you can have hands sideways like this, here, hands like this, bam, boom, up, down, but we're going to pull straight back. So rather than coming straight back like this, like a row, we could do that, or we could do like our elbows by our body like this, boom, like that. And the reason we can do this, or palms up, is because if we lean back, then the angle changes, right? And then we can boom, 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 boom. Or if I have our hands sideways like this, bam, 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 boom, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, boom. So we can use like the weight shifting and leaning with that. 1, 2, 3, 4, bam, boom, bam, boom, bam, boom, bam, boom, bam. Right? Or you can just do it with one arm. So like this, boom, one arm at a time. Right? Or we can do like this is kind of like you see a lot of dancers do this as well, like go like, bam, boom, boom, but they might only just bring it into here, like a little bit, like 1, 2, 3, 4, or they might just do like 1 up, 1, 2, 3. They do it like this. 1, 1, 2, 3. So you can also have your hand at the hips when you do that, like this. Hand at the hips out, and then we can switch. 1, 2, 3. Boom, 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 boom. Right. So a little bit more about like. Okay, the next thing is like elbows. So we're going to talk a little bit about elbows, like martial art kind of elbows, like this. 1, 2. So you have these like angles here that look really cool. And I find if you just do it up here, like bam, bam, it doesn't look as good. You have to lean into it, like bam. You have to add some kind of a lean for it to actually look good when you do it. So I like to step and lean back a bit. Like that, or I'll like just change levels with it a little bit and go like down here, like that, because I find that looks pretty cool. But even if you want to like get down low and go like that, yeah, you can do it like that. You can also elbow across, so rather than elbow up, you can do it like this. 1, like that, bam. Boom, bam, 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 boom. Right? So now the elbow is kind of coming across body. We can do that 2 different ways. Sorry, so like this with the elbow up, or we can have the elbow more vertically like this. So we can go like 1, 2, or we could have like that. So like a back elbow in a way, like boom, 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 bam, boom, 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 bam, 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 boom. Right? So that's a little bit about elbows. I'm sure you can do that in different ways as well. Like more like a sideways elbow, like here, boom, bam. It's kind of like this actually when you go up, bam, bam, boom, 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 like that. So we can really like change the position of where the elbow goes, like up, out, down, to the side, middle, up, across, out here, here. So there's all these different positions with like the angles with the elbow. So the next thing besides elbows, I think was actually, oh yeah, okay, so this, the straight arms, they're touching the elbow concept that I was talking about. So you can do a lot from touching the elbows, like here, 1, 2, 3. Our arms can always meet up. So if we're here, we can always change the elbows like by using this concept here, 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 here. Right, you get it? And then we can also do like the same thing, like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the good thing about this is 1, 2, 3. Or we can do it like that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, boom. Like that. And then we can even turn into some pretty cool angles like that as well. Now, if you take that same concept and just apply it here, what we can also do is we can turn our arm into it, right? So we can go 1, and then we can turn. And we can turn. Boom. We can turn. Look at that. So if we do it like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, open. Try and like open and close it, and then keep turning, right? So to show you what that looks like, it looks like this. So 1, out, 2, out, 3, out, 4, out, like that. So we can go 1, 2, 3, and we could keep like, so almost like a fixed point, right? So if we did it like that, it'd be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, or down here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You know what I mean? So down, boom, 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 boom. So they're cool angles we can use. Even from here, like this, we can still like bring our arms together and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, these are like boxes, and we still can use the boxes with popping a lot as well, because we might be doing something like this: bam, 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 like that. So all I'm doing is I'm taking these boxes and using the 4 corners, or I'm like breaking the boxes open and then joining them again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. And another concept with the elbow to elbow, like this, we can hit this like that, right? So we can take this movement here, and then we can even bring it up again like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. 1. So instead of doing just a box, we can bring that, instead of here, bring that all the way up like that. Then we can, now we've got this angle we can play around with too. 1, 2, 3, 4, straight out. 1, 2, 3, 4, boom, boom. Or you might do it like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, bam, 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 bam. You know what I mean? So you try that, and also try this as well. So that, bring this to here, and then open, then bring that to there, and then try and like fix the points as you're doing that, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Boom, 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 like that. So there's a few extra things you can play around with, and yeah, I hope that helps. So peace out.